In this lecture, we are going to work on adminSlice and we will be creating async function for fetching all the products. Come to editor. Inside this src, we are having features and this is our new feature. So here I will be creating the folder as admin and inside this I will be creating adminslice.js. Now first thing we have to import create slice. So I will be passing import create slice from Redux Toolkit. Below this, I will be calling this create slice. And this entire value, I'm just going to assign to the variable admin slice. And first property, now you should be aware, we will pass name of the slice, that is admin. Then I will be creating initial state for which we have to assign object. We are working on products, so I will be creating products property and we have to fetch all the products. Say here, initially I will be assigning as empty array. Then I will be creating success. Initially it will be false. Loading. Initially it will be false. I will be creating error. Initially this will be null. And below this I have to create the reducer. And inside this I will be creating actions. For that, let me open user slice. And from here, I'm just going to copy both the actions. I will copy and paste. If I call this, my error should be setting to null. If I call this success, I'm just going to assign to false. And below this, I'm just going to export const, remove errors, and also remove success. From where I have to access? I have to access from admin slice dot actions. And finally, below this, I'm just going to do default export of reducer. Export default admin slice dot reducer. In this way, we will be creating the slice where we will pass name of the slice, initial state, reducer, and finally exporting actions and reducer. And once we are having new reducer, this reducer we have to import in store.js. So here key I will be passing admin and for this I'm just going to assign this admin reducer and below this I'm just going to import my reducer. Inside this feature we are having admin folder and inside that we are having adminslice.js. Very important, once we create the reducer we have to import in store.js. Now here we will be creating async function for fetching all the products. So here I will write fetch all products and from user slice let me scroll up. I will copy this complete function and inside this I will be pasting. Remove entire thing from this catch block and inside the try block here let me remove. Instead I will be passing error while fetching the products. Function name, I will write fetch admin products and inside this first argument we have to pass action type. I will pass name of the slice slash this fetch admin products. So in this way I will be passing my action type and here I am fetching all the products so I do not need any data. So I will be passing underscore in place of payload. Then inside the catch block, we do not have to change anything. But inside this try block, we are just going to fetch API. Directly, I will destructure data, await, axios dot, let me open product routes. And inside this, for fetching all the products for admin, we are using slash admin slash products. And this is nothing but get request. So here, I will be passing get. Then slash API slash v1 come to product routes, copy this exact same thing and here I will be pasting slash admin slash products. So in this way we are just going to fetch API data. Now I will click on this. Inside this get admin products we are having success and products. Let me come here. And finally, I'm just going to return data. So once I return data, in my data, I will have success and products, but in fulfill state, we will only access products because while fetching all the data, we do not need any toast message. So that is the reason we will only access products. Now, after creating this async function, below this, I will be creating extra reducers. Now, you should be familiar with this. I will open, I will pass builder.addCase, and inside this, I will write fetch admin products.pending. Second, I will be passing this function for which I will be passing state. Exact same thing, copy, paste. Instead of pending, I will be passing fulfilled. And last thing, paste. And here, I will be passing rejected. Inside this, I also need to accept action. I will accept action. And here also, I'm just going to accept action. In this way, I will be creating extra reducer. Inside this pending state, what I have to do, I will access this loading. Let me write state.loading, and for this, I will assign the value true. Now same thing, I will access state.error, for which I will assign the value null. Let me come to user slice. From here, I will copy this rejected one, copy, and inside this paste. So here, loading, we will set to false. Whatever error message we are having in the backend, that we will access. If we are not having any message, exact same message I will copy and inside this paste. And finally, inside this fulfill state, loading, I have to set to false, copy paste. Then from payload, I'm just going to access this products. And this products, I'm just going to assign to state.products. Let me pass semicolon. I will write action.payload, which will be giving me object. Inside that, I will have success and products. Now what I only want to access these products. In this way, we will be creating async function for fetching admin products, and we have only accessed the route, very simple route using get request, and accordingly we have added all the cases.